Dog moral story. An incident king had a 10 wild dogs. He used them to tourist other and would sometime attack and eat any of his subject and servant who agreed, and once of servant suggests something that was wrong and king did not like it all at all. So he ordered the servant to throw to the dog. The employee said, I have served you for 10 years and you are doing this to me. Please give me the 10 days before throwing me to dog. The king agreed. One those 10 days, the employee approached the keeper looking after the dog and told him that he wanted to serve the dog for the next 10 days. The he guard was shocked but agreed. The staff began to feed the dog and clean their quarters, bath them, and take care of sort of service for them. The king was surprised to see this scene and said, what happened to my dog? The servant replied, I served the dog for only 10 days and they have not forgotten my service, and I have served you for 10 whole years. Yet you have gotten all my provided good deeds because of my first mistake. Realize his mistake, the king ordered the servant to the freed. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। वीडियो पसंद आई तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कमेंट्स लाइक शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।